Hello friends, today we will study about arrays subset. This video is on special request from my student Shweta. So here you can see I have created a list with element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A1 is equal to np dot list. That means I have created an array A1 1, 2, 3, 5 for I in range length A1. Length A1 means length of this li, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, length 4, 4 plus 1, 5. That means here it will run for 5 times. That means for I in range 5. Now for j in range I plus 1, I will first time will be 0. That means it will be 1, comma, length A1, length is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. It will run till 1 to 5. First time it will run from 1 to 5. Now li2, we are creating second list. Li, I is 0. First time I is 0. And then colon. J is first time when it will run, it is 1. J is 1. Now this inner loop will run 0 to 1. That means 1. Next time inner loop will run till 5 it has to run. It will 2. That means 0, 1. 1, 2. Next 3. That means 0, 1, 2. And next time it will 4. That means 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. That's it. This loop is over. Inner loop is over. Then it will move to inner loop. First time it was 0. I was 0. Now I will be 1. So I will be 1. And I plus 1 will be 2. That means it will start from 1 to 2. Because I is 1, j is 2. J range is 2. Now 1 to 2. That means 0, 1, 2. Next 3. 2, 3. Then 4. That means 2, 3, 5. Like this it will run. Now let me show you the output. You can see. First time 1, then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 2, then 2, 3, 5, then 3, 3, 5, 5. Like this. It is running. First, your outer loop is running. That will run for I. First time will be, it will be 0. Here, in bracket it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Length A1 plus 1, 5. And I will run from 0. It will first time it run for 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 till. This is outer loop. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 times it will run. Okay. Now it will start from here. I plus 1, that is 0 plus 1, 1. Then I is 0. I is 0, colon, j is 1. It will run like 1. 0 to 1. That means 0. Then 2. Then 3, then 4, then 5, like this it will run. So when first time it is going in inner loop, it is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is first time when its inner loop is complete with I is having value 0. Now in second time it will run from 0 then 1. It will become 1. It will start from 1 and it will go to, and that is index value 1, 2 last. Then index value 3 last. Then index value 4. Then index value 4. So it is almost 5 is on index value 4 itself. So I think this should be clear to you. Now, if I remove this plus 1, you can see it is running till 3. So plus 1 is, you have to add plus 1. Okay, now and next, it is the same function is through define. You have done through function. For defining a function, def is a keyword. This is your function name, and this is your value which you have passed list, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This can be any value. Then you have created an empty list, then both outer and inner loop. In this you have used append because you have to return this value. You have to use append function, that means you are adding on. You are adding 1, then 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, like this you are adding on, and then you are printing. Then you are returning it, and then you are printing here. Function is returning the value. Function is returning the value. So you can see here empty array. You have created already empty array. Then 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, then 2, then 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, like this on. It is displayed. So this is all about your subsets. In subset, the most important portion is that first is your outer loop, then is your inner loop. For your outer loop, you are starting the value, and inner loop it is going on. So for you to clear concept more, I shall explain you the concept of inner and outer loop. For suppose I in range 5. Print I. You can see the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I am saying 10, you can see 0 to 9. So this is the outer loop. Now in inner loop I am trying. Let me give some small value, 3 suppose. This is 0, 1, 2, 3 is not taken. Now suppose I take another inner loop for j in range, suppose I say 3 column, I am saying print I. You can see here. First time in inner loop it is going, this is your outer loop, I is your outer loop, j is your inner loop. When it is going in inner loop, I is 0, and this inner loop will run 3 times. You can see 3 times 0. Then your inner loop is running again 3 times with value 1. I value is 1, and then 2. I value is 2. This is your inner loop. Suppose if I say j is my inner loop value. So you can see the difference. First time when i's value is 0, it is going in inner loop j. It is printing the value of j. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, and it is running 3 times. Then again I value is 1, but it is printing j value. So it is 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, and 0, 1, 2 again. So this loop is totally running 9 times. This inner loop is running 9 times and outer loop is running 3 times. This is the only concept which we have defined in this subset array. So I think point should be clear. For more clarity, let me explain you like this. I is equal to I, J is equal to J. Now you can see the concept will be more clear to you. You can see in inner loop I is 0, J is 0, 1, 2, I is 1, 1, J is 0, 1, 2, I is 2, 2, J is 0, 1, 2. So these are the only values which it is running. If we will change value, we can. If it is suppose 5, it is 3. You can see inner loop 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is same 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. If I change this value also, so this will also behave like this. So I think now your inner loop and outer loop concept might be clear. And so in sublist, this inner loop and this outer loop concept is only there to display the subsets. So